So we have this breaking news out of Florida where Judge Aileen Cannon cleared the way for release of Special Counsel Jack Smith's election interference report on President-elect Trump, perhaps as early as tonight. MSNBC legal correspondent Lisa Rubin is with me, and when I read the headline, it sounds, Lisa, like this could expedite things, but then when you actually read what she wrote, maybe not.
That is absolutely true. Chris, let's go back to last week where Judge Aileen Cannon first enjoined the release of the report and said then that her order would expire 3 days after the appeals court, the 11th Circuit, acted. They acted on Thursday night, which means that as of tonight at midnight, that's when the Department of Justice would have been free to release both volumes of the report, but for what she did today. And that's what I want to explain to you and our viewers. She is saying she is not going to grant a further request from President Trump's lawyers to extend that injunction as to volume 1 of the report, which concerns the federal election interference case. But as to the second volume about the Mar-a-Lago documents case, she is going to indefinitely extend an injunction that prevents Attorney General Merrick Garland from releasing the report to the public or even to members of Congress, what they suggested they wanted to do. And as for the suggestion that she didn't even have the authority to enter this order, Judge Cannon taking umbrage of that, saying the 11th Circuit never said that she didn't have that authority, and that because this concerns the release of information that directly implicates the trial rights of Walt Nauta and Carlos de Oliveira, those are the two co-defendants in the Mar-a-Lago case, that she has an obligation, and I'm quoting from her order, to preserve the integrity of this proceeding should the 11th Circuit find that her order dismissing the case outright was an error. Of course, many of us think we'll never get to that point because once President Trump takes office again, he could either dismiss the appeal of her dismissal and or pardon both Nauta and de Oliveira, making it sort of a moot point, right? That by the time he takes office again, this case may no longer exist.